Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to continue with the LEUPAY series. As you may recall from the last episode of LEUPAY, I have showed you guys how you can transfer money from Kraken crypto exchange to your LEUPAY account, and obviously I showed you practically that this works. Now we are going to see today how we can send money from another crypto exchange, and that is CEX.io. But before we begin, as always, please consider subscribing and also like and share the videos because it would help me very much. And also now when you go to my channel, you can go to the playlist which I have created on my channel, and in here you have a playlist with only the videos of LEUPAY, so you can watch them from the first one to the last one. So if you haven't already, I invite you to do so and to look them in the order, because they are related to each other, so you can understand step by step how LEUPAY works and how you can use it, and obviously understand what we are talking about today. So as I told you the last time, so let's go to my LEUPAY account in here. As you can see, I have transferred 50 euros from my Kraken account, and they are already on my LEUPAY account in here. And today we are going to transfer 50 euros from my CEX.io account. So if you haven't already registered with CEX, you will find the link on the video description. You can use my link, so you can help me out a little bit by registering with my link, obviously. And of course, after you register and get verified with CEX, then you can do what I am doing in here. So basically, after you enter your CEX.io account in here, as you can see, I have 386 euros available, and as I told you, we are going to withdraw 50 euros, just 50 euros to see if this works, obviously, because I have tried it with Kraken, but I don't know if it's gonna work with CEX. So we click on withdraw because we are going to withdraw, then we go to euro because we are going to withdraw euros, and as you can see in here, it pops up the SEPA transfer because this is the one that that we are going to use and on which we are interested in. So we click on SEPA after we click on euros, and in here you have now you have to enter your LEUPAY account information. So as you can see in here, beneficiary details, it's my name, last name, obviously country, and my address. So these are the beneficiary bank details which we are going to get from our LEUPAY. And if you recall from the last episode which I did from Kraken, is the same thing. We go to our LEUPAY account, let's go to accounts. In here on euro accounts, you have two options to download the documents with your information in Word or in PDF. I will go with PDF, obviously. Let's download the file. Obviously I have downloaded it, but I'm going to show you again. Then open the downloaded file, and in here you have all your account information, of the LEUPAY which we are going to enter to our CEX account to be able to make the transaction from CEX to our LEUPAY account. So these are the details. We have the account number, we have the IBAN, we have the bank name, and the big SWIFT code. And obviously, as you recall on the last episode, at the bottom of the page you have the address of the physical address of LEUPAY, which is located in Bulgaria, and you just go at the end of the page in here and you copy this part in here: from Bulgaria, Sofia 76A, James Boucher Boulevard, PO 1407. And this is going to be the physical address of our bank, which obviously we have opened an account. So let me go ahead and enter my my information to the CEX account and be right back. Okay, now I have entered my bank information, or let's say my LEUPAY account information for euro, obviously. And we have the bank name, we have bank country, which is Bulgaria, we have the bank address, the one that I showed you before, then we have the big SWIFT code, and the IBAN code is the last one. And then we click on this one. I have confirmed the provided payment details. Okay, then we stayed on this one. I have been notified, And then we obviously we need to add the sum which we are going to withdraw. I'm going to withdraw 50 euros. At CEX we get a minimum of 100 euros. Okay, we are going to try that. 100 euros. The commission, it's only 1 euro, which is a little bit high for being a SEPA transfer method. So keep this in mind. This means that at CEX we get higher fees. So let's see, for example, $380. Okay, so basically it's the same commission of 1 euro, no matter the sum that we get. But I think that it's still high for the SEPA agreement method, transfer method. So yeah, keep this in mind with CEX. But hey, 1 euro, it's still very low fee compared to the Swift account, Swift code transfer, or if we get or if we transfer our money to our credit card. So it's still cheaper than both of them. So after we have completed our information, enter the sum we are going to withdraw, then we click on withdraw in here. Obviously we need to enter our Google Authenticator code, so let me just grab that. Okay, so 460997. Okay, you have requested to withdraw 100 euros. The request will be processed after our financial department confirms the transaction. Okay, now it's finished. We click on close, and as you can see in here, it says pending because it's not yet processed. So we will wait and see when it will be processed. Okay guys, as you can see in here, the SEPA transfer withdrawal confirmed in only 4 minutes. And if we open up in here, you can see that withdrawal confirmed, SEPA transfer 100 euros, and so on. So now basically we just need to wait for the transfer to happen, and as soon as it does, which I hope it will be within 24 hours, like with Crack and Deed. So let's hope for the best, and I will let you guys know as soon as the transfer is complete. So yeah, thanks very much for watching for today guys, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.